Number 1. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, powered by a 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has approximately 180,000 miles on it, though the instrument cluster has been replaced. The truck features a burgundy exterior matched with a burgundy interior. The front-end components have been replaced within the last 10,000 miles, contributing to its overall drivability. The truck has a rough and worn exterior, but it remains functional and reliable for everyday use. Additional upgrades include a new battery, a 3-inch body lift with bumper brackets, and a 2-inch rear block, sitting on 33-inch tires. The rear axle has been re-geared to 4.88 with around 15,000 miles of use, while the front differential was recently replaced by a previous owner and is believed to retain the factory 3.73 gearing. It does have a power steering fluid leak, but the interior is described as being in good condition. Number 2. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900, showing 161,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 5.7L V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a traditional and engaging driving experience. The truck is finished in a white exterior with a tan interior. Inside, the cabin remains clean and well kept, with a dashboard free of cracks, reflecting careful ownership over the years. It also comes equipped with practical extras, including a receiver hitch and a Takancha Voyager brake controller, making it suitable for towing needs. In terms of condition, the truck is described transparently. The tires are worn and will need replacement soon. The air conditioning is not currently functional, and the parking brake requires adjustment. Additionally, there is a small rust spot, one cab mount sits slightly low, and a starter shim is missing, though the vehicle still starts reliably every time. Number 3. 1995 Ford F-150, price $4,500, comes equipped with a 5.0L engine paired with an automatic transmission and has accumulated approximately 340,000 miles. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, it holds a clean Tennessee title and has recently received several important updates, including new front and rear fuel tank sending units as well as a new alternator. The air conditioning system blows cold, adding to the overall driving comfort. While the oil pressure gauge on the dashboard is currently not functioning and the dash itself shows some cracking, the seats remain in excellent condition with no rips or tears. The truck is fitted with a Flowmaster exhaust system and sits on a set of very nice tires. Although the current owner is not the original, the vehicle comes with complete original documentation from when it was first purchased, including the window sticker and owner's manuals. Number 4. 1999 Dodge Ram 3500, price $9,500, solid and reliable diesel truck, showing just 166,000 miles on the odometer. This quad-cab SLT model features a 4-door configuration with a 2WD drivetrain and is powered by the highly regarded 5.9L Cummins engine, paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a clean silver exterior with a gray interior, the truck offers both durability and a classic look. It has been well maintained and comes equipped with cold air conditioning, a brand new turbo, and a full set of new tires, ensuring it's ready for the road. Known for its impressive torque and strong performance, this Ram 3500 delivers plenty of power, making it a dependable choice for both work and everyday driving. Number 5. 1999 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,980, well maintained, mechanically sound pickup with 160,000 original miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable 6.0L V8 gasoline engine, delivering solid performance. Finished in a clean white exterior with a tan interior, this LT trim truck features leather seating and full power options, offering both comfort and convenience. As a 2WD model, it has been kept in good condition for its age, with a clean interior and exterior, complemented by a nice set of tires. There are a few minor cosmetic imperfections, including some small dings, a dent on the tailgate, and a tear on the driver's seat. Despite these flaws, the truck remains in strong mechanical condition and holds a clean title from Walker, Louisiana. Number 6. 1998 GMC 1500, price $6,000. This truck has 175,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior paired with a matching red interior and runs on gasoline. The brakes and tires are approximately 1 year old, and in January 2026 several key components were replaced to ensure reliable performance. These include the inner and outer tie rod ends on both sides, sway bar bushings, sway bar end links, the pitman arm, the idler arm, and the idler arm bracket. The vehicle also received a professional alignment, along with repacking and tightening of the wheel bearings. While the speedometer gauge is currently not functioning, the truck itself runs and drives exceptionally well, delivering a strong and dependable performance overall. Number 7. 2001 Ford F-150, price $4,900, with 220,000 miles on the odometer, finished in a black exterior paired with a gray interior. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Powered by a 5.4L V8 engine, the truck delivers strong performance, and its 4x4 system functions properly, providing added capability in various driving conditions. The vehicle has a clean title and has been well maintained, with regular oil changes performed every 5,000 miles or less. There are no check engine lights, and both the engine and transmission are reported to be in strong working condition without burning oil. Additional features include a functioning radio and cruise control, contributing to a comfortable driving experience. The interior remains in good shape considering its age, while the exterior shows only minor dents and typical cosmetic wear. One noted issue is that the air conditioning system does not blow cold. Number 8. 1982 Chevrolet K10, price $10,000. It features a 4-inch lift that enhances both its stance and off-road capability, along with a newly installed dual exhaust system that adds to its performance and sound. The truck has recently undergone a tune-up, ensuring it runs smoothly and reliably. Inside, the cabin has been refreshed with new carpeting and upgraded bucket seats, offering improved comfort and a cleaner interior feel. It comes equipped with 33-inch BF Goodrich tires, providing solid traction and a rugged look. For an additional $1,200, the truck can be upgraded to 35-inch BF Goodrich tires mounted on Mickey Thompson wheels, further enhancing its aggressive appearance and off-road readiness. Number 9. 1989 Chevrolet S10, price $6,800, comes equipped with an automatic transmission, running on gasoline. It features a clean white exterior paired with a charcoal interior, giving it a classic and understated look. The vehicle is powered by a Rowdy 350 engine mated to a TH350 transmission, delivering strong performance along with a cam that produces an aggressive, appealing sound. It runs great, shifts smoothly, and offers an enjoyable driving experience overall. The exterior still shines nicely, while the interior is complete but would benefit from a thorough cleaning. There are a few minor issues to note. It needs window guide clips and a small piece of rubber on the filler neck, as it drips slightly when refueling. Additionally, there is a minor leak from the headers and collector, which is expected to be addressed soon if possible. The truck also has new tires installed, though they have not yet been balanced. Number 10. 1995 Ford F-150, price $6,000. It comes equipped with a factory tow package, making it well suited for hauling and light-duty work, while the short bed design adds to its versatility and ease of maneuverability. Under the hood, it features a dependable 5.0L V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain, delivering solid power and a comfortable driving experience. This particular truck stands out for its exceptionally clean condition, with a body that is free from rust, making it one of the cleanest examples available. It runs strong and consistently, offering reliable performance whether on the road or at work. Additionally, the braking system is responsive and effective, allowing it to stop quickly and safely.